Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable communication safety to restrict sensitive photos and videos on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Screen Time. Next, scroll down and then we go to Communication, and in here tap on Communication Safety. At the top here, go to the Sensitive Photos and Videos section and tap on Communication Safety. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. Now, communication safety can detect nude photos and videos before they are sent or viewed on your child's device and provide guidance and age-appropriate resources to help them make a safe choice. So turn this one on if you want to filter out photos, sensitive photos and videos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.